Situation, Lieutenant. Some hold up in that house over there. Says he's got hostages.
This is Frank Bevan, police squad. Throw down your guns and come on out with your hands up.
Save your pity and your mercy. I have no use for it.
How you doing, Trooper?
Oh.
Get off the road! You're late.
Mordor.
No, Dutch Irish. My father was from Wales.
Is that your wife beside you, or you just threw up on the seat? I haven't had this much sex since I was a Boy Scout leader.
You shall be the Fellowship of the Ring.
Like a midget at a urinal, I was going to have to stay on my toes. Yep. Yep. This was starting to get interesting.
Very nasty place. Full of enemies.
Come, sing me a song.
Oh, say, can you see?
Of the Holy Father, I anoint this body with the symbol of God's goodness.
I see you. And I see you.
Tape was very entertaining.
Follow me.
Do you have Spartacus?